Hello everyone, welcome to Intel Investors, and in this video let's construct an RSI using Excel. Now what I have here is Apple's closing prices, actually all of Apple's price data, but we will need just two components of this, which is the date and the closing price. Just gonna change to column. There you go. Now the formula for RSI is 100 minus 100 divided by RS plus 1. Okay, so the first component or the first step to get to the RSI, we first need to calculate the RS, the relative strength. And with that, we will make use of the up moves and the down moves, or the upward movements and the downward movements of Apple's closing prices. And here's how it works. So first, we need to calculate the price change. So I'll name this column as price change. Then, the formula is very simple. We just subtract the latest closing price to yesterday's closing price. Then, copy it all down for the rest of the prices. There you go. And the next step is to get the up move and down move. And with this, we will need an if function. So if the price change for the up move, if the price change is greater than 0, then we will show the same number on that cell. And if not, we simply show 0. And look at what we got. We got 0 because it's less than 0. It's negative. It has a negative value. And for the down move, same if function. But if it's less than 0, we show the absolute value of that cell. And if not, we simply show 0. There you go. So we remove the negative value of this number, and we show the absolute value in this cell. Okay, now we copy it all down the very last price, and for the next column, the next step is to get the average up movements and average down movements. So we still haven't arrived to the RS, okay, but we're getting there. Now the standard is to use 14 days, so that's what we will use to get the sum of 14 days and divide it by 14. Okay, let's first calculate it from here. Average of the upward movements, we get to up to 14. Then the same thing here. Oops. So here is the day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll drop it here. Okay, now copy it all down. And do note that in our article, we named 3 ways for you to average out the upward movements and downward movements. So one that we did here just now is the SMA method, which is just the average, just getting the average of the upward movements and downward movements. But there's also the EMA method and the Wilder method. So you can just visit our website and use the other methods, the ones that are going to be much comfortable for you. But to simplify things, we just use the SMA method. All right, now we need to get the RS. So the RS is just the average up movement divided by the average down movement. And then we copy it all down. So that is our RS. But remember, we still need to get the RSI. Now, the RSI's formula, remember, is 100 minus 100 divided by RS plus 1. Okay, so that's 100 minus 100 divided by RS plus 1. And there you go. Now, for us to visualize this, we'll insert a chart. And there you go. So that is our RSI. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching.